Question number 15 is something that students would often look at and immediately or very quickly become confused. And the reason is they're seeing stuff about astronomy and they're like, okay, now I'm supposed to know what a pulsar is. It's a rotating neutron star. And that will immediately throw some people for a loop. But this question ends up being pretty straightforward. They gave you the frequency. They even identified it as zero point 0.4 kilohertz. And so we just need to know the inverse relationship between period and frequency. Period is equal to 1 over frequency. And if you forget that, this is on your yellow equation sheet, that formula. By the way, we'll spend quite a bit of time with this kind of concept in oscillations and waves. And so we simply just have period is equal to 1 over frequency. And so we can find the period by plugging in the value of zero point 0.4, and that's in kilohertz. So that's 0.40 thousand hertz, kilohertz. Another way of thinking about that is period is 1 over zero point 0.4 times 1,000, which is 400. I moved the decimal place 3 times. So 1 over 400 hertz, and that's where I get my answer, which is A. 2.5 milliseconds.